After 4 kids, one with special needs who has had multiple surgeries, and of course homeschooling, my life has been ridiculously busy. And even though I have a mother-in-law who weekly comes over, thankfully, to help me clean and organize my house, I have lost control over my house in more ways than one. While my focus has been on homeschooling my kids and meeting their personal and medical needs, things have been piling up. Loose papers, old clothes, old shoes, old clothes, toys. I feel like we've just gone backwards. I have a confession to make, if it's considered a confession. I used to be a minimalist. I was the minimalist of all minimalists, if there was such a term as that back then. In my living room, I had a futon, a shelf with nothing in it, and a TV sitting on the shelf, and no dining room table, maybe one pot. Yeah, one pot. And then 10 years later, I got married and had kids.
Like me!
Best thing that ever happened to me.
4! Only 4! Only 4! Unless she has another baby, she is 5.
I'm not having another baby. I hated cleaning, and my motto was, if I don't have a lot of stuff, then I don't have a lot of stuff to clean. But obviously, that's not the case now. Since our channel is focused on educational support for parents, I decided to focus on teaching my kids healthy decluttering skills and sharing them with you. So go ahead and check out our channel trailer up in the corner. Our channel is called Living with Eve, and if you like what you see, consider subscribing and make sure you click on that notification bell so you can get notified every time we have an upload. So in order to do this, I decided to start with decluttering their room. Hey, this was just as much as their project as mine. And honestly, this is real life homeschooling. You know, economics 101. Do you guys know what declutter means?
No.
It means that we're gonna go through your stuff and we're gonna give away and throw away trash.
Okay.
This is how we decluttered. Step 1, cleaned up all the toys that were on the floor so we had a nice clean space to work with. Step 2, we picked a section of the room to start with and got started. Step 3, we threw away any trash, pulled out the toys we didn't want, and organized anything that was left over. Okay, so everybody has to have a job. Hannah, you are in charge of looking for Duplos. So the reality is, and this is totally okay and normal, kids won't sit and focus for hours on cleaning. I mean, I barely can. But they see you cleaning. So don't get too frustrated when they start playing with their stuff. Just keep redirecting them and keep cleaning. They will learn. Oh, and by the way, you wouldn't believe what I found. A spoon, a sock. It's broken. Found old Band-Aids. I just found a troll head. And a syringe. Dun, 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 dun.
That is my hat with my crazy sunglasses.
Give me an amen if you have like 1,000 of these too. Batman. I hate this table. I tried to get rid of it several times. I tried to decorate it.
And you painted this yourself.
I did. I hate this table. We're gonna get rid of it. Day 1. Done. And it's only the closet, but it's oh so better. And everyone agrees. How do you feel right now?
I feel like I have more space.
Yeah. Okay, here's our trash and giveaway pile. So we're on day 2 of our decluttering, and one of the things that I want my kids to learn is how to put things back where they found them instead of just throwing them on the countertops and under the bed. So we're gonna go get the kids and have a little chat. See this right here? Last night this was completely empty. So what do we need to do with this stuff? That we need to put this back. It looks like we did not put things back, did we? So let's go ahead and fix this. Today we focused on the drawers, dresser, and Isaac's Lego display. Ethan went through his clothes and Dad even came in to help us get behind the dresser. did I mention that we have a Lego problem? No, I'm really serious. We have a Lego problem. I find them everywhere, on the floor, in the closet, in the dressers, on the table, all over the office, displayed in our bedroom, under the bed. I even have them in our bathroom. And I know it's because we have two boys and both me and my husband worked with Legos. I taught Lego robotics and he actually buys and sells Legos online. It gets overwhelming and I don't know what to do. So if you're in the market for buying some Legos, I'm gonna stick my husband's online store link down below. So here it is, all done. I didn't have the strength to tell him to take them apart, so here you go. Tomorrow we will take on this room, which will be fun. But first, donation time, because I don't think we can fit anything else in the car. We like to donate to the Lighthouse Ministry. It's a Christian ministry that helps homeless and at-risk men, battered women and children, and provides life learning programs for residents as they recover from addictions, destructive lifestyles, and homelessness. We also like to bring some of our used items to the free cycle at our co-op, and any items that weren't taken by moms were donated to a local foster care home. First of all, I am extremely thankful for everyone who has donated clothes to our family's cause. And we have saved so much money and we've gotten so many cute clothes. But like seriously, this is what happens when a mom doesn't go through her clothes and just shoves them back in the closet when she's done with them. So it's now time. Let it go, let it go. Okay, wrong princess. I confess, I just can't be a minimalist in this room. And the reason is, there were so many clothes that I wanted to save for Naomi. See, she's a size 2 right now, and I had 3s and 4s and 5s. So what I did is I just focused on 2 things. 1, clothes that don't fit her anymore, and 2, clothes that had stains, holes, and were worn out. Those I went ahead and stuck in the donate box. I was wondering where that was. Apparently I don't really know what I'm doing. And I really wanted to go back to my minimalistic ways, but when I'm going through her pants, I swear she has like 50 jeans, not joking, from age like 18 months to the age of 5. And I want to keep them all because as she grows into them, I don't know if they're gonna fit her or not because you know how jeans don't fit everybody. So I'm keeping them all. And to be honest, if some of these clothes don't fit her right, I'm still gonna have to go out and purchase clothes. But this closet is ridiculous. And it has taken me just to get to where I am at least 4 hours. And I did not expect that at all. It's depressing. I don't think I've ever cleaned this closet. I still have 3 giant boxes to go. 3 giant boxes. 1, 2, 3 more boxes to go and we're done with the closet. This is a box of clothes I couldn't let go to that Naomi has grown out of. I'm gonna get rid of the whole thing. Except for maybe this dress. I can give it to someone special. I shouldn't be looking. Oh, so many pretty clothes.
No, Mommy, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna put it.
Okay, I'm having a hard time.
Bucket.
I'm not gonna look anymore.
I'm not gonna look.
Now we have an empty bucket.
Empty bucket for nothing.
Last box. Alright, seriously, this is our shoe collection.
Look at this sparkly shoe.
Same thing. I had over 50 pairs of shoes. So I went through and pulled the shoes that didn't fit anymore, were worn or holey, and wouldn't work with Naomi's braces. The final amount of shoes. Future Hannah shoes and future Naomi shoes. This is the final moment. So what I have right here is just the 4-year-old clothes in the corner, 5 and 6, Hannah's shoes, Naomi's future shoes, couple blankets. These are seriously age 24 months up to 8-year-old clothes. I didn't want to put them in boxes because they would wrinkle, so I just left them out. And then, of course, the costumes. The 2 boxes are ages 2, 3, 4, and then, of course, the shoes that they can fit into now. But now I can put toys in here. Day 4, and all we had left was rearranging the furniture and going through her toys. Do we need these?
Can you table them? I'll go get the bag.
Oh, no. Oh, there's a bag?
Yeah, 4th of July stuff.
You have a bag of 4th of July stuff? This is Naomi's favorite doll because it sings. And just because it's missing an arm doesn't mean we're gonna throw her out. Through this process, I've learned a lot. Number 1, I have a lot of stuff, and it's been hiding, and now I found it, and now I gotta do something with it. And I also want to go through these rooms again, because I know there's a lot of stuff that I have that I haven't gotten rid of, but after I finish the rest of the house. I also learned from this YouTuber named Matt Avella. He's got like millions of subscribers. I should know how to say his name. I hope he's not watching. I should say his name right if I want to be a true minimalist. I'm not a true minimalist. Anyway, he said if you like it and it makes you happy, then keep it. What does make me happy is knowing that I have several pairs of jeans that I can try on Naomi, knowing that at least 1 or 2 of them will fit. And then eventually I'll donate the ones that don't fit. But what doesn't make me happy is when I open up closet doors and boxes fall on me, when I step on Legos, and when I clean. I hate cleaning. Who likes it? Because I don't. I realize I've got a long way to go. We've got a long way to go. And making this video was just some encouragement to help me along this journey. So if you made it this far, you know what? Thank you. And let me know in the comments below if you think I should continue making videos like this. To be honest, our channel is not a declutter minimalism channel where, I'm here to help you, the parent, raise your exceptional child. So if I do another video, I will put a parent educational raising your child spin on it. But I do want to share with you some ladies that helped inspire me and encourage me on this journey. The first one, her name is Erica, and her channel is called Homeschool Happens.
After 10 years of marriage, 7 moves, 3 kids, we have just amassed too much stuff, and I'm ready to go down a minimalist journey here and reduce our clutter.
She is so personable, relatable, positive. I don't think she has one sour bone in her body. She's a real person with a hoarder turned into a minimalist. She's got thousands of subscribers, and she's just a really sweet lady, and you should check her out. The other one is Miss Jessica from Fields Full House. That's her channel name. She's got like 9 kids.
Today we're focusing on the boys' room, so I'm going to show you our disaster and hopefully y'all feel better about yours.
And she's doing this. If she can do this, I certainly can without complaining. So check those ladies out, and I'll go ahead and put some more in the description box. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you later this week.